Communicating with businesses can be a frustrating experience. Consumers switch channels as they please for personal conversations with friends and family. From email to Facebook chats, from SMS text to tweets to phone calls. And they expect to do the same when interacting with companies they do business with. As self-service usage increases, conversations increasingly involve scripted automation on IVR, mobile apps, websites, or SMS. Businesses, however, are rarely equipped to offer this breadth of channels for typical business-to-consumer interactions. And if they do, the channels are typically operating in silos. This is particularly true for self-service interactions. Imagine calling your insurance provider to ask a question about a recent claim. You navigate your way through all the IVR prompts, only to end up hearing,
"You are calling outside of normal business hours. Please try your call again tomorrow. Goodbye."
Unfortunately, for businesses today, there are far too many examples of interactions going wrong, which leads to customer frustration. But it gets worse when they are trying to continue their transaction in self-service. In most cases, the business remembers nothing about their recent call, tweet, SMS message, or usage of the company's mobile app. Self-service solutions today are typically built as silos by different groups within the organization. Customers frequently have to repeat themselves when being transferred to an agent after an IVR interaction. At Aspect, we understand the customer journey and the demands of the connected, mobile consumer of today. Consumers don't think in channels. They simply see your brand, whether they are entering a store, calling in, tweeting, or using your website or mobile app. They expect the same level of service, and they expect you to know them, always. This is Omni-Channel, preserving context when switching channels, and when jumping from self-service to agent-assisted service. Let's meet Max and listen in on his customer journey, which started with the unfortunate out-of-business-hours message mentioned earlier. Let's hear how his journey moves towards a pleasant conclusion with Aspect's Omni-Channel Self-Service approach.
Welcome to ABC Insurance. I can see you previously called to hear more information about a particular claim, but you are calling outside of normal business hours. Are you calling back because of this?
Yes.
Great. What is your PIN, please? Thank you. I will transfer you to a customer service representative. Your estimated wait time is less than 2 minutes.
Preserving context will specifically improve the customer experience when switching the channel. Let's have a look at what would have happened if Max had decided to use ABC Insurance's mobile app instead of calling back. The mobile app knows about Max's recent call and his unfinished inquiry and offers to continue his interaction. Max clicks yes, and the app takes him directly to the page that shows details about his claim. Now that is a remarkable customer experience. That's Omni-Channel Self-Service powered by Aspect. But it doesn't stop at self-service. Equally important is to remember context when switching the conversation to a live agent. Having to repeat themselves is among the most frustrating experiences of consumers today. Aspect's integrated omni-channel self-service and agent-assisted communication solutions help overcome this frustration. Talk to us today to find out how we can help you turn your customer care interactions into superior omni-channel experiences.